Hello everyone, this is Paul from HIFIMAX. This is the 9-inch Mini Cooper Android screen. Today, I just want to make some tips for the settings, such as the UI changing, the buttons, key learning, and others. Because in the menu, it don't mention these tips. Okay, now the first one is the UI changing. This model have two UI. Now let me show you how to change it. Go to Setup, System, Android version here. Click 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Input the password 2023 08. Click OK. You can see this one and this one. For now, the unit is use this one. If you want to change to this one, just choose it and restart the Android screen, then will be fine. And the second is, we have some friends says the controller, the button is not work here, such as this the dim button is not work, right? Here. And the back button also not work. How to do this? In fact, this can be learning. Now I want to show you how to learn it. General here. Click the setting and go to General. Here, steering key learning. Click it. And there's a panel key learning. Panel key learning. Here you can see how to learn it. In this menu, we just tap this, tap the buttons we want to define. For example, this is the home, and this is the back button, this is the music, and this is the dim button. This one is the mute button. Mute. Okay. Now we learn the home button. Click this home. Press this, and this one dim, right? Dim. Press it. This the back, right? Back. Press this, and this the music, right? Music. Music here. Music. Okay. And this the mute button. Mute here. Okay. And we need to save. Click the save. And then you will see here the home button is working now, right? Dim, right? And the music here. If we go to this the Bluetooth here, the back just fine. Here the music. I don't play the music here. There's no music. When you press it, it will work. Okay. This is the panel button learning. In fact, this button also working if you learn it. And this the touch button. It also can be defined. The same way to do this. General key learning. Touch key learning is here. For example, this navi, right? This answer Bluetooth. And this previous, the next here. It can be learning by yourself. Just do the same way as the panel button, as I mentioned. Then will be fine. The third setting is about the FM setting. FM radio. This the Android screens radio, right? But we have some friends made mistake on the setting, and when he click it, there's nothing. Okay, now let me show you. application here, car setting here. Some friends original car switch here. Some friends should set to original car. That way it will show nothing when you click the FM. For example, now I change it, right? And I click the FM. FM. That's a blank here. So what you do is to change the setting, car setting here. You should choose radio. Radio, there is aftermarket radio here, okay? And then it will be fine. Okay, you can see. The fourth setting I want to show you is because we have some friends that when the unit power on, it cannot detect the engine icon on the top here. The settings are here. Let me show you. Here, car setting. Car setting here, click it. And here, the ESP warning you should set to off. If you set to on here. When you power on, the unit cannot detect the engine icon here, okay? So you set to off like this. Another setting is about the ICC setting, general here. Sorry, system. We need to go to factory here. The password is 1912. There is a setting about the ICC. Here, ICC off count. This 100. You should set to 1. That way, when you power off the car, the engine screen also power off immediately. If not, it will consume your car battery here. And also cause another problems. For example, when you power on the car, you want to switch the gear to reverse camera. But if the setting 100, that way this function will not work. It will wait until the engine screen pop up completely, and then you can use the reverse camera. Okay, so you need to change to 1 here, just 1. Okay, another issue for some friends is about the 4G SIM card. This is the 4G SIM card slot, this one. And we have some friends insert the wrong direction for the SIM card. You can see the SIM card like this. This is the gas, right? And this is the metal side of the SIM card, right? The correct direction insert should be like this. The gas face to your side. The gas is here. The metal is under the SIM card, face to downwards, the metal, and then insert like this. Insert to this, just like this. Metal face to downwards. The gas is here. You can see the gas here. This is the correct directions. Other directions are totally wrong. If you insert like this, or like this, or like this, they are totally wrong. If you do the wrong thing, it will broken the SIM card slot. So you should take care of this. Thank you very much.